Welcome to the world of extreme excavators with chainsaw attachments and stump removal capabilities machines that can dominate the landscape like nothing you've ever seen before. Today, we're counting down the top 10 extreme, dangerous, fastest excavators that are redefining forestry and land clearing. But these aren't your average construction machines. These are beasts built for speed, power, and deadly precision. Stick around as we dive deep into the technology, the power, and the potential dangers of each of these incredible machines. And you won't believe what number one can do. The Caterpillar 336 FLXC. This machine isn't just any excavator. It's a monster designed to tackle the most demanding forestry jobs. With its specially engineered hydraulics, this model can easily power through stumps and tree trunks of all sizes. The 336 FLXC can be equipped with a specialized tree-cutting attachment that lets operators slice through trees as thick as 30 inches in mere seconds. With its fuel-efficient engine and smooth hydraulic operation, it's one of the fastest excavators in the field for large-scale stump removal. But here's the dangerous part. This thing moves so fast and with such force, it can be difficult for even the most experienced operators to maintain full control. The sheer power behind this machine means one wrong move, and it could cause massive destruction in no time. Despite this, the 336 FLXC's versatility is what sets it apart. Whether you're in tight forest spaces or working on wide-open fields, this machine is ready to work. It's built to thrive in a variety of conditions, making it a favorite for serious forestry projects. Next on the list is the Volvo EC950F Crawler, a heavy-duty machine designed with the toughest jobs in mind. The EC950F is built for large-scale forestry operations and features an impressive boom arm that gives it extra reach, perfect for taking on massive trees and stubborn stumps in rough environments. One of the standout features of the EC950F is its exceptional lifting capacity. It can handle loads that would make other excavators buckle under the weight, making it the go-to machine for challenging projects in dense forests, hilly terrain, or marshy lands. But with that incredible power, there's a hefty risk. The machine's sheer size can make it difficult to navigate tight spots, and if the operator isn't careful, they could find themselves in a precarious situation when trying to remove trees or stumps in tricky locations. With its advanced hydraulics and all-terrain tracks, the EC950F delivers unmatched stability. But that doesn't mean it's foolproof. Navigating uneven ground with a machine this heavy requires skill, and when you're clearing trees with a giant like this, you need to be aware of the risks. We have the Komatsu PC290LC11, an absolute juggernaut when it comes to speed and versatility. This model is particularly popular in the forestry world because of its adaptability. It can easily switch between tree cutting, stump grinding, and even digging without breaking a sweat. What really sets the Komatsu PC290LC11 apart is its intelligent hydraulic system. This system not only optimizes performance, but also minimizes fuel consumption, making it more cost-effective for long-term projects. But don't let its fuel efficiency fool you. This machine packs a punch. Whether you're clearing a dense forest or tackling a large stump, the PC290LC11's massive boom arm and digging capabilities make it a formidable force on the job. However, there's a catch. Because it's so adaptable, you've got to have expert operators at the controls. The PC290LC11 can be quick and precise, but a moment of inattention can cause serious damage, both to the machine and the environment. Next up is the Hitachi ZX470LC6, a massive force of nature in the excavator world. What's unique about this model? It's built for tough jobs. The ZX470LC6's robust design and large digging reach make it ideal for forestry and land clearing projects. But it doesn't stop there. This machine's hydraulic power allows it to easily slice through thick tree trunks and grind massive stumps down to size. The hydraulic system on the ZX470LC6 delivers remarkable control, allowing operators to maintain fine-tuned precision. But don't think that makes it a gentle giant. This excavator can handle some serious heavy lifting. The power packed into this machine makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to clear large forests or tackle extreme stump removal jobs. But with power like this, precision is key. The ZX470LC6's cutting blade moves with incredible force, which means an inexperienced operator could easily misjudge a cut. And that's where the real danger lies. We have the Liebherr R936E Laptronica, a precise machine designed to handle tight spaces without sacrificing power. This model is ideal for urban forestry projects or areas with limited space, where large machines would struggle to operate. Its compact design allows it to operate in small spaces, but don't let its size fool you. This excavator has enough power to clear forests when equipped with the right attachments. The Laptronica is known for its fuel efficiency and fine-tuned hydraulic system, which makes it an excellent choice for long, drawn-out projects. However, operating in tight spaces is no easy task. One small miscalculation, and you could cause damage to nearby structures, or worse, get stuck in the process. This machine's quick and powerful capabilities come with the risk of accidents if you're not careful. The KCX750D crawler excavator delivers unmatched stability, even in the most challenging conditions. With its powerful hydraulics and robust undercarriage, it's built to last and perform in even the roughest environments. The CX750D stands out for its excellent lifting capacity and stability, giving operators the confidence to clear large areas of trees quickly. Whether you're handling thick, stubborn stumps or digging up heavy loads, this machine makes it look easy. But there's a downside to all this power. The machine's strength means it's easy to get too comfortable, and operating without caution could lead to serious accidents. Its massive size means that even the smallest slip-up could send logs flying or cause equipment failure. Let's talk about the Doosan DX800LC9C, a monster built to handle extreme forestry operations. With its high lifting power and impressive hydraulic system, it can take on the toughest jobs in the forestry industry. Whether it's clearing entire forests or grinding down massive stumps, the DX800LC9C does it all. This machine's size and lifting capacity make it an invaluable asset to any large-scale project. But the key to success is all in the operator. A machine this big can easily become a liability if not controlled properly. So, the next time you see one of these beasts in action, remember, It's not just the power that counts, it's the precision. We have the Kobelco SK500LC10, a machine that's equally powerful and fuel-efficient. This beast excels in remote and rugged terrains, where it can efficiently cut down trees, grind stumps, and even dig without breaking a sweat. Its powerful engine allows it to move heavy materials, and its high efficiency ensures that it's an ideal choice for long-term forestry projects. However, this machine's power also comes with a price. It requires an expert operator to handle it safely. One wrong move could send the excavator tumbling or cause massive damage. Is the Sany SY500H, a machine that combines power with fuel efficiency. The SY500H is designed for large projects and is capable of moving massive trees and stumps with its hydraulic arms. What makes this machine unique is its durability and ability to perform under extreme pressure. The Sany SY500H's fast cutting speed and superior hydraulic control make it an efficient option for land clearing operations. But with great speed comes great risk. The faster you move, the higher the likelihood of accidents if not properly controlled. Finally, we have the Hyundai R800LC9A. This giant of the excavator world is capable of clearing entire forests in record time. It's the ultimate land clearing monster, designed to perform with unmatched speed and efficiency. But with great power comes even greater responsibility. The sheer size of this machine makes it highly dangerous if not handled properly. Its speed and efficiency are unmatched, but it takes an expert operator to control this machine safely. One wrong move could result in disaster. Want to learn more about the incredible power behind these machines? Don't forget to check out our other video on the forestry power. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Click the end screen now and keep watching the world of extreme excavators unfold.